So how can you make the iPhone keyboard noise louder? Let's explain that. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. First of all, in the iPhone settings, you can check out the sounds and haptics section. And of course, the keyboard feedback should be enabled for the sound and perhaps for the haptics as well, right? So that's the first step. But as you are already inside of the sounds and haptics, you can see at the top we also have the slider for ringtone and alerts. And this is controlling all of this stuff, right? So you should be able to bump it up higher and make sure that the sound is louder for your incoming phone calls, notifications, and it should also affect the keyboard sound, right? So that's where you can find it. Keep in mind that you don't have to necessarily stick with the built-in keyboard from Apple. As on the App Store, you can see there are more apps which you can download to replace your keyboard, right? There is the Microsoft Swift key. There is also the Gboard from Google, and those have their own dedicated settings as well, right? So you can perhaps explore those options to see if it perhaps fits you better or if you like those features more. So let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Hit the thumbs up if it worked for you, and I'll see you later in the next videos.